Hey, so today we're going to test the 3-key keyboard and how I'm using it to talk to my LLMs and do a bunch of work day to day. First of all, Bluetooth keyboard, got off Amazon. You can map the keys to anything you want. I've mapped this middle button to enter. When I hit that, I'm going to run the script on my terminal. This spins up 3 different Claude code sessions, each of those in a different repo. It means that I can do a bunch of work. So hit enter. This first key I've mapped to Whisper, which is a voice recognition, a great way of getting a voice and talking to the LLM. Can you explain this repo and what it does? Great. I hit enter. And then the final piece of puzzle, this third key cycles to the next Claude session. So while that one's working away, and again, one of the great things about, or the best ways to work with AI is to do things in parallel. This is my blog, so I'm going to push the first key. Hey, can you review the latest blog post and check for any typos and spelling mistakes? Great, we've got the first key in there, but I think it's going to understand what we do. I hit enter. While that's working, I'll cycle through to the next session. And on this one, can you review the code that I'm currently working on and give me an update of its status? Perfect, hit enter. And then click the third button. I go back to my first Claude Code session. This is giving me a little summary of the repo. I don't really want to do anything more here. That's great. I'll read that through. I'll cycle through again. This has come up with a bunch of typos. Yes, can you fix those typos, please? Great. And while that's working, I can switch through to this next one. And this is telling me the files that I've modified. Really handy. Yeah, like I said, I definitely find it much easier to walk around and talk to Claude Code with this as a bit of a break from sitting at the desk all day. In some edge cases, sometimes I do need to interact, kick around, play with the browser. I find controlling the computer fully from the voice a bit limiting on that front, but if I have a bunch of work, I need a bit of change of scene, I want to stroll around, stretch my back, then the mini 3-key keyboard works really well for me.